Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. We are gonna tackle a little bit of the CSS. I promise we are not gonna write any code, but we just in case you just don't want to use the default color settings. So I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Chrome. I mean, you can use Firefox, but I prefer Google Chrome. It's pretty easy. So let's just say you want to change this color. Okay, let's start with this color. We don't like the way it looks. So you right click and click on inspect. So wherever you put it, we're going to highlight. So that's the container. So this is the section. You can click. This is the call to action. So this is where we want to change. Let's just try. Probably this is not the section. So when you click here, you can add a new element. So this is CSS. So background, in case you want to add a background color, that is what we aiming at. This is just the color. So that controls that part of the CSS, but that's not what we want. We want to change the whole section. So you can just come here. So that's it. So that's the section that we're talking about. So you click here and you type background color. There are a lot of, since we are starting here, beginner probably, click on background color and click on the enter key. And these are the colors you can add, so you can see we can change our colors. So this is how you practice with CSS and Google Chrome. This doesn't automatically save it, but at least we can see, oh, okay, I think I like this color. So you can even type in your own color. The default normal colors are going to show up. Okay. Okay. So this is it. But when you refresh the page, everything is going to go, of course. It doesn't automatically save it. Either that people is going to hack your website. So with these settings, we take, that's the CSS class. When there's a dot before anywhere, that's a class. If it's hash, it's an ID, but this is a class. So you can right click and copy. So in your WordPress, you click on customizer. So this is where you can add additional CSS. So you click and you paste and you put in the bracket. So we want a background color, right? Background. So it even helps you right click a semicolon. So when you let's just choose red, and I'm gonna show you something. So you save it. We didn't save it, so when you refresh, so here's it. So you can change your own background color, give it whatever color you want. Let's try with this. Right click, inspect. So this is a section. So yes, so you can. So you can play around with it. You can even copy the whole thing. So okay, first let's copy. It's a section. Copy. After everyone, you add a semicolon. Control V to paste. Since it's one, let me turquoise color. Copy, paste. Let me bring it back a bit. Let me close this and refresh. Okay, it's not working. Let me see where I go. Okay, it's the same. It's not going to work that way. we can even change the text color. So color, so you can change the text color. So this is it. It's an H2 with a class of rigid title. So yes, these are the default settings. So these are the default font family. We can increase the font size 50 if that is what you want. Color chocolate. So the widget title controls all our widgets, so you have to be careful of the sizing. It goes to the default. So when you're changing the widget title, it changes all our titles, so be careful. Azure is probably not. So if you like it, you can just copy the name of the class, copy, and let's see, let's publish it. So here we have it, a different color. In case you want to change the color of this, you click on an inspect. So this is it. So this is the section category. It's an unordered list. I mean, those who know HTML will understand what I'm talking about, but it's pretty simple. It doesn't have a class. So basically that's it. This is how you this is where you write CSS for your page. Just in case we want to, our entry point is the blog page. So in case you want to set a different page, or you create a different page as the entry point, when people log into your site, that's where they go. We can do that by coming to homepage settings. So you can choose a static page as your front page. So I've not created any page yet, but let's just say this is where you want people to go first when they log into your site. So let's click on publish and let's refresh our page. So you can create a different page using the Gutenberg editor to customize this section for your pages. I will go back to our latest post as a default page. Post, click save. So yeah, basically this is it. In the next video, I'm going to, let me remove I think I like the default settings, so let me go to CSS and just remove everything. Let me publish it. Yeah, so the next video, I'm going to show you how you can take this beautiful blog that we created. I'm really proud of you, and put it online. So from a local host to a shared hosting. I'm going to show you how you can do this with a free hosting service. I mean, you can use their subdomain. If you like, you can purchase. If you don't know how to purchase a domain, you can send me a link on this video below, or send me an email. I'll run you through how you can purchase a domain, but we're going to use a subdomain from our free host. So don't forget to check that video out. It's really important if you want to make your website or your blog live on the internet. So stay tuned for the next lesson. I appreciate. Assalamu alaikum. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share, and ring on the bell notification right below. I appreciate. Thank you.